You know what I see with a lot of producers? They have 50, 100, 200 plugins installed. They spend 20 minutes scrolling through their list trying to find the perfect compressor or EQ. But me, I end up using the 3 same plugins a lot of the time. You'll find those 3 plugins on all of my mixes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they are and how to use them to get professional results without getting the plugin fatigue. Let's dive in. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm all about efficiency. I've realized over the years that the best mixers are not the one with the most gear. They are the one that know their tools inside out. The 3 plugins I'm gonna be talking about are not brand new. They're not AI powered, and one of them is actually a stock plugin. But together, they handle 90% of the heavy lifting in my sessions. Let's start with the utility knife. First up, the Waves SSL E Channel. This is my first call plugin. It lives on my vocal strip, drums, guitars, pretty much anything. And why I use it? It's an entire console in one plugin. I have my filters, my EQ, and my dynamics. It has a specific analog bite that I really like, and to me it just sounds musical and makes things sound better. I learned engineering using a console and an SSL specifically, so I'm very used to the design and the concept, and that's one of my favorite tools to use. For example, most people leave the mud in their vocals. I immediately can go for the filter, roll it up to about 100, 150. Don't be shy with it. Then I'm looking for that boxiness around 400 with the wide Q cut here. It clears up the room sound instantly.
Merry-go-around, 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 between us in this lost and found.
You can hear it's cleaner, tighter, and I haven't touched any other plugins yet. Obviously, you need to have proper recording techniques, but that's for another discussion. Next, Waves Renaissance Compressor or R-Comp. If I need a vocal to sit perfectly in the pocket, this is what I grab. Why I use it? It's simple. It doesn't have 50 knobs. It has a very warm musical character that doesn't feel plastic like more modern digital compressor. My understanding was when they designed it, it was supposed to be mimicking an 1176. You can't go wrong with that. How I use it for vocal, I'll go around 4:1 with the ratio. I keep the attack around 10 to 16 milliseconds so the consonants still pop through, and I keep it on auto release to do the heavy lifting. I'm only looking for 3 to 5 dB of reduction. I'm not trying to kill the performance. I'm just using it to glue things to the instrumental.
Merry-go-around, between us in this lost and found.
Now it feels more professional, controlled, but still emotional. And last but not least, don't laugh, is Pro Tools D-Verb. Yes, that's the stock reverb that comes with Pro Tools. Why I use it? Speed. I can dial the vibe in 5 seconds. When I'm in a creative flow, I don't want to menu dive through cathedral presets in a fancy convolution reverb. How I use it? I always have it on an aux with the wetness at 100%. I almost always straight go to a plate. For a vocal, 30 milliseconds pre-delay, 1.3, 1.4 second decay. It adds that depth and space without making the mix sound wet or cheap.
We go around, between us in this lost and found.
Why only these 3? Because decision fatigue is real. When you limit your options, you're forced to get better at the natural craft of mixing. If you can't get a great sounding mix with an SSL EQ, a basic compressor, and a stock reverb, a $500 secret sauce is not gonna fix it. Master the basics first, and the rest will come easy. So find your workflow of plugins, get really good at it, keep it minimal. An EQ is an EQ is an EQ. Let me know if you have any comments. Let me know the one plugin you can't live without. Don't forget to subscribe to see more mixing workflow, and I'll see you on the next one.